Good morning to everybody. So I will present an amazing project that we are developing in Brazil. As Andrew told, I represent two organizations, Ecological Institute, that it's based in the Brazilian Amazon, in Palmas. And we work mainly with environmental management and emission reduction projects. And we were pioneer in Brazil with implanting the first carbon sequestration project since 1998. And Ecological Assessoria is a consultancy company that we work with all emission reduction projects, from landfill to wind power projects and small hydro, things like that. And we run 3 research centers. The first one is focusing on climate change. The second one is working specifically with biodiversity conservation. And the third one, we try to transfer this knowledge to rural and to the local people. So we have developed the concept of social carbon. All our projects that we implement, emission reduction, we try to have the consent of all the stakeholders involved. And the process that we utilize to have a high-level, high-quality VRs, emission reduction for the voluntary markets, we use all the principles defined from the UNFCCC, from the executive board, like additionality, like utilizing a accredited certifying company. So, and this matrix, this hexagon, with this matrix, we try to expand it so that we improve all the assets that are within a community or within a company. So the natural, the social, the human, the carbon, the biodiversity, and the financial. And along 7 years of the timetable of the project, we try to maximize this and in order to get benefits to the local community. Today, we work in all principal ecosystems in Brazil: Amazonian rainforest, Brazilian savanna, that's the biggest ecosystem and most endangered ecosystem, dry forest in the northeast. And this specific project that we are presenting is based in a region between dry forest and Atlantic rainforest. Atlantic rainforest, today only 7% exists, so most of it has been deforested. And this is specifically the project. We switch from native wood, native forest, from different kind of renewable biomass. And we have different sources of emission reduction, from avoided methane to the switch from non-renewable to renewable, and also the energy efficiency. We enter the company, in the industry, and we do the inventory or the calculation of the emission reductions. This is the region where the project is based, in the northeast, on the border, on the coast of Brazil. And this is the baseline and the project activity. In this case, we are switching to renewable bamboo and also to coconuts, residual waste, and sawdust coming from a plantation. These are the emission reduction generated year by year. We always do it for 7 years, and that is given by the UNFCCC. And in this case, yes, and which are the aim? To have long-term biomass supply for the future, done by eucalyptus and other forms, bamboos. And the social component of the project, we help local rural smallholders to produce organic sugar. We are in a region where there are big sugar productions, and also women and from the local communities to help them to produce sustainable products, and also, of course, reforestation and to avoid the erosion of the areas, and of course, to increase the existing Atlantic forests. So more questions we can have, we can have tomorrow, 3:45 p.m. in the library, and we will give you all the answers. Thank you very much. Bye.